Imagine this. What if future miners in space weren't big machines but tiny microbes? Hey, I'm Srishti, a space biologist, and today I want to share how these little creatures could help us mine metals from Moon, Mars, and even asteroids, all in microgravity. Now the major concern is why this matter. Taking heavy mining equipments from Earth is really expensive. But what if microbes could do that job for us? Breaking down space rock to get useful metals? If this would help us use local materials to make fuel, build habitats, and create electronics where we travel, this idea is called In-Situ Resource Utilization. ISRU. This could save a lot of time and money. So what is biomining? Well, biomining is a process where certain microbes produce acids and special chemicals that dissolve metals from rock. These tiny helpers form a sticky layer called biofilm and release compounds that make metal come out into a solution that we can collect. Scientists are now testing if microbes can do this in space as well. There are several experiments that are going on, but specifically mentioning in 2019, the BioRock experiment on International Space Station tested microbes on space-like basalt rock. One microbe being Sphingomonas desiccabilis. It successfully pulled rare metals out of this rock in microgravity. This experiment proved that microbes can work in space. But this question comes in mind, how does microgravity change things? Without gravity, like on Earth, fluids don't flow the same way. Mixing is slower, it happens mainly by diffusion. So microbes, they also form biofilms differently and sometimes change the chemicals they produce. This means mining results can be better or worse depending on microbes and rock combination. So picking the right microbe for the job is a key. Because for space mining to grow, scientists and engineers need to design reactors that handle fluids well in low gravity, figure out how to feed and recycle nutrients for microbes efficiently, find ways to collect metal smartly from the solution itself. BioRock's small lab proved that this can work, but bigger continuous mining systems still need to build and test with real Moon and Mars soil. Now the most important part is why this is exciting. Imagine turning space rocks into bricks, metal for tools, or parts of fuel, all without launching heavy materials from Earth. Biomining could make space mission cheaper and more sustainable. The science so far shows that microbe can do this job. We now need to find and look how to build on this and scale it up. So tiny microbes could have a huge role in space mining. If you were to design a micro-powered miner on the Moon, what would you have it to make first? Metal tools, habitat bricks, or fuel catalyst? Tell me your ideas below in the comment section. Until then, keep exploring.